Wake up.
I can't let you go, baby.
What are they?
No. I just wanna tell you that. No,
아이고, 그거. 유장, it's time to wake up. Good morning, Mama.
Hi everyone! Sorry for the weird intro. As a certified Japanese kid food coach, I got it just for my own learning. I wanted to show the ideal way to feed kids.
유장 뭐 어디로 지가?
Let's be real. I'm not perfect and I don't want to share something I can't actually do myself.
유장. 아기들.
Ideally, kids should sit at the table, eat properly, and brush their teeth afterward. But honestly, mornings don't always go that smoothly. So today, I'm sharing my real busy morning hack, one-handed breakfast. They're easy for kids to eat, mess-free, and even work great for eating in the car. I know it's not the most polite way to eat, but I'd rather my daughter eat something than skip breakfast or just snack on junk food. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video.
아이고, 고고고.
Good morning! Yep, no time for a slow breakfast today, so I'm making a rice sandwich. You can put anything you like, but I always try to add protein to help boost brain function in the morning. First, let's make teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki sauce usually has a lot of sugar, but I don't want to give my daughter too much sugar in the morning, so I'm using extra mirin instead. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon sake. Next, let's cook an egg. Since we are using it in the sandwich, flipping both sides helps keep it mess-free. Once the chicken cooked, wipe off any excess oil and pour in the teriyaki sauce. Let it simmer until thickened. For the rice, plain's fine, but my daughter loves sushi rice, so I mixed in a little sushi vinegar. Place rice on the center of a nori sheet. Add lettuce, mayo, chicken, and extra teriyaki sauce. Add the egg and a little more rice on top. Wrap everything in nori. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it sit for a few minutes. Cut in half. Check for plastic wrap bits.
유자, ご飯食べて。
まだ眠たい。
ご飯食べて。
No!
I don't know why, but my daughter refuses to eat at her chair, but eats just fine in other places. Why? Anyway, she loved it.
Boom! Boom! 제롬!
아, 이게요? 유자, 이게요? 호라! 호라! 이게요?
And if she doesn't finish, no problem. I'll let her eat in the car. Good morning! No time again.
유자, 뭐起きて。
Since winter started, my daughter hates waking up. Even at daycare, She refuses to get up from nap time. Today I'm making a super fast egg sandwich. Spread a little mayo in the bowl, crack in 2 eggs, poke a few holes with a fork, microwave at 1200 watt for 1 minute. Mash the eggs. Add mayo, salt, and pepper.
Oh my god.
For an umami boost, add a tiny bit Japanese mustard to the mayo. It makes the flavor richer. Don't worry, just a tiny bit won't be spicy. Mark the bread into 3 equal parts. Place the egg in the center. Good morning! Today's quick breakfast is, what is this? An omelette? A quiche? Maybe a mix between the two. My daughter and husband both love it. 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, salt and pepper, 100 milliliter milk, umami tip. Add 2 teaspoons of mayo for extra fluffiness and richness. Mix in baby spinach and cheese. To boost umami, you need to combine 2 types of amino acid, and we need inosine here. So I'm adding ham, but canned tuna works too. Microwave at 1200 watt for 3 minutes. And it's done.
ゆうちゃん待ってよ。
美味しいね。
美味しいでしょ。じゃあ座ってよ。パンと食べよう。ゆうちゃん。パパ食べていいこれ。
何してんの？あ、いててててて。何してんの、ゆいちゃん。あれ？おにぎりどこやったっけ？ママのおにぎりどこ？ゆいちゃん、入れたらわかんないよ。
ママのおにぎり抜かしちゃってごめんね。
いいよ。大丈夫。
Good morning! This is my ultimate lazy breakfast. Sausage roll. Flatten a slice of bread. Spread a little mayo. Add lettuce, cheese, and a cooked sausage. Roll it up. Done! I know it's so simple. But believe me, I don't serve this every day. This is only for super busy mornings.
じゃあキウイどこだ？来た。はい、はい、これ持って。はい、行こう、ここ、行ってきます。
I hope this breakfast idea helped hectic moms somehow. Instead of wearing yourself out trying to be perfect, I think it's better to take it easy sometimes. and just enjoy smiling with your kid. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
起きなさいって。